What's up, YouTube? So in this video, I'm going to see if this is going to stop my power steering leak in a Dodge Ram. Every time it starts getting cold, my Dodge Ram's rack and pinion starts leaking. It's just a slow leak, but over time I have to refill it with power steering fluid. Alright guys, so if you look, I wiped it off. Pretty much my rack and pinions leaking from the bottom there. So I picked up this Lucas power steering stop leak from my local auto parts store. It was about 11 bucks. I ended up getting a 12-ounce bottle. It claims that it's supposed to renew worn rack and pinions, control slack, squeal, hard spots, and tight steering. It says guaranteed or your money back. On the back, the directions say when power steering reservoir is low, refill it with Lucas power steering stop leak. Until leak stops, use 1 or 2 bottles. So we're going to see if this stuff works. I'm going to take some of the fluid out of my power steering reservoir, and then I'm going to add this little by little over the next couple weeks. Alright guys, so I drained some fluid out of my reservoir. The way I did that was I actually emptied out the bottle of Lucas. So I wanted to show you guys what it looks like anyways, and how thick it is. It's pretty thick stuff. And I also did it because I didn't have anything to suck the power steering fluid or the ATF4 out. So I actually used the bottle with the hose on the end of it, and I sucked it out that way. Now I'm going to put the Lucas into the reservoir. Alright guys, I decided just to put the whole 12 ounces in there. We'll see what happens. I'm going to give it about 2 weeks maybe. It says on the bottle, results are usually immediate. So we'll see what happens. You know, I've read mixed reviews about this. Some people said it worked great. Some people said never put stop leaking any part of your engine component. So I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Alright guys, this is the update to the Lucas power steering stop leak test. I had it in my truck for about a week now. I drove my truck Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I parked it. Today's Sunday, so it's been parked since Friday. It's approximately about 3 days. I put a board underneath the truck just to give us an idea of if there's any leaks. I haven't checked it yet. Parked it in the same spot every day, and what we're going to do is we're going to check it together. I'm going to back it up and see if this Lucas worked. Alright guys, here's the board. There are no signs of a leak. I don't see any stains, any power steering fluid anywhere on it. These here were old stains. Showed you in the last video. As you can see, it was leaking pretty bad before I put that Lucas in it. So yeah, it looks like it worked. As you can see, it's extremely cold out here, and got snow on the ground, and this is when it leaked the worst, when it would get cold out. During the summer I wouldn't have any issues. Soon as it would start getting cold, power steering fluid would start leaking from the rack, and that's why I assumed it had to have been seals. Alright guys, so it looks like it worked for me. This Lucas power steering stop leak did the job. My rack's not leaking anymore. So I don't know, give it a shot. You guys got the same issue I do. I know it works for some people it don't. So guys, found this video useful, hit that like button. Got any comments, put them at the bottom. Subscribe. Talk to you guys later.